Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. If you're anything like me, you need some serious cheering up right about now. So what I'm going to do over a series of short videos is share with you my absolute favorite YouTube channels. These are the ones that as soon as a video comes out, I jump on it and I watch every one of their videos. Why? Because these guys are fun, they're inspirational, they're passionate, incredibly talented. In short, their videos make me happy, and I'm betting they'll make you happy too. So, in no particular order, here's the first of my favorite YouTube channels. The first of my favorites I'm going to share with you is a droning video channel from the other side of the planet from me. This guy has a terrific eye for color and showcases stunning landscape and seascape scenery all over Australia. Wonderful drone moves, wonderful editing, absolutely inspirational to watch and to learn from. And his videos are fun, with face-to-face intros for most of them, with crazy jokes and the running gag of the rivalry between his drones. He also hosts a regular weekly live stream discussing droning, editing, and everyday life, and everyone is warmly welcomed to join the chat. Let me share with you Matt North, Northeast Drone Productions. There's a link to Matt North's channel in the description below and in the end cards for this video. His stuff makes me happy. I'm betting it will cheer you up too, and I'm sure you'll make Matt happy if you watch his videos and subscribe to his channel. Stay tuned for the next of my favorite YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.